Welcome to this tutorial video about Excel's AI built-in data types. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI generally refers to the capability of a computer to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes activities like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. We need to talk about what version of Excel works before we go any further. Microsoft Excel 365 for Windows was used to create this tutorial. Excel for Mac and Excel for Web both work for the steps in this tutorial. The file needed for this tutorial is named datafile.xlsx. You can download it from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. When you open the Excel file named Data File, you will see several worksheets. The one needed for this tutorial is the Types worksheet. In Excel, data types extend the functionality of traditional number and text types by allowing cells to hold connected data. This feature enables users to work with types of data like stocks, geography, and currency more intelligently. Users can pick from a list of information that can be automatically displayed and updated every time the user selects Refresh All. Let's begin with stock data types. Go to the Types worksheet and select cells A2 to A4, and on the Data tab, click Stocks. The cells have been designated as stock data types, and the official name of the company appears. To obtain more information about each of the companies, select the cells again and click on the Insert Data button. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and click Price. The current stock price will fill the cells in the next column. To get another kind of information on our stocks, we will repeat the process. Select cells A2 to A4 and click the Insert Data button. In the drop-down menu, click 52-week high. Now we see the 52-week high for each of the stock data types. Refreshing connected data in Excel is straightforward. This data is linked to online sources, and Excel can update it to reflect the latest information available. To refresh the data on your worksheet, on the Data tab, click Refresh All. Note that if you only wanted to refresh certain cells, you would select them, and on the Data tab, use the drop-down menu under Refresh All to select Just Refresh. Let's move on to geography data types. Select cells A8 to A12, and on the Data tab, click the icon for the geography data type. Notice the map icon in the cells that shows the cells have been designated as geography data types. Next, we are going to search the geography data type menu for the current population in each state or province. Select cells A8 to A12 and click the Insert Data button. In the drop-down menu, scroll through the options until you see population and click on it. Now we see the population for each of the geography data types. Along with the data in the drop-down list, you can also view a data type card for your geographical location. This gives you a snapshot of the date. To see the data type card for Ohio, right-click in cell A8 and in the drop-down menu, click Show Data Type Card. The data type card will appear on your screen. To add a piece of data from the data type card to your worksheet, hover your cursor over it and then click the Extract to Grid icon that appears. The data appears in the next available column. Use the fill handle to drag the data type information from cell C8 down through cell C12. We are finished with the geography data type. The currencies data type allows you to get and compare exchange rates. In cell A15, we have a pair of ISO currency codes. We have US dollars to Canadian dollars. To add the currencies data type, select cell A15 and on the Data tab, click Currencies. Notice the icon in the cell that shows the cell has been designated as a currency data type. And just like the other data types, you can click the Insert Data button to see a list of available options. Click 52-week high. We are finished with data types. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.